Alright, today we're going to try to get some decking up. These boards here for the battens, these will be part of the sidings. These are kind of in the way. Probably should have put them somewhere else. I've got the ladder set up here. I'm going to get up on top of this roof. Those are 1x6s. Yellow pine, tongue and groove 1x6s. On top of here is the 1x, and then on top of the main roofs on the cabin section will be the 2x lumber. Still 2x6. Same thing, yellow pine, tongue and groove. But I'm by myself. I don't have a helper today. I was supposed to. Car trouble, imagine that. So I will be having to get down off the ladder and load them up to myself, stage them, and then lift them up, nail them down. I'm just gonna nail them. I don't want to be using screws for, especially up top, because it's holding the trusses together, and with flex and everything, want to be using nails. So bring out my heavy ass nail gun. I'm just going to use my cordless one with a battery, and that's what we'll do. I got all the lumber I need here. It's already staged. Got a lot of rain last night, so I had it tarped up. 1x stuff's in the middle here, so I'll be pulling it out, staging it there, and lifting her up. So climb on up there now and show you updates as I go. Okay, I'm up here, first board. Try to finagle. I'm sitting on one of the joists now, and let's see, gonna lay this down. We got to check. All right, so that's the worst side. Rather the side be down. So flip her around so we can hide this mess. I basically want it straight down my boards here, and my nail gun. Be a hell of a lot easier with another person, I'll tell you that. Okay. So, line this one up here. So, just gonna get one on the end, flush at the end, and then I'll go over here, line it up that way. I think that's the best way to do it. First few, I'm staggering them. A couple didn't go in right, so I got quite the gap in the bottom. I'm not too happy about that, but I think it might have been that one board was a little smaller. See what it all looks like. If I got to yank out a couple, so be it. But and now I kind of have a place to put my foot. I can walk. I got these ones staged here. I can just grab them and nail them down. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll cut the ends. Hopefully I have enough. Then I got to run to the hardware store and get pretty much an ice and water shield. I'm gonna put that over that so this stuff doesn't get ruined in the rain. So that's the plan. Continuing down. I do the rest. Just like that. How's that? I set it up that time, didn't have to cut it. That's what we're looking for. Might as well minimize our cuts while we're freaking up here. I mean, my harness line already up there. I got it attached to the top of the middle truss, screwed in, and then my rope and my lanyard that clips to my harness. So I can show you a little bit about that later. All right, next board. No, 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 no. Oh, come on. Got a staple on the end of it. Hammer it down. Yeah, some of these boards are smaller. Don't come out as much. I'm disappointed in the quality of these, to be honest. Paid a lot of money for these, and not that consistent. Supposed to be number one. Prime number one. I don't know if I'm buying it, boys. I don't know if I buy it. Not buying what they're selling. Well, I did buy what they're selling, unfortunately. I'm gonna make use. It's half of what building is. Making use. Oh, I got another jam. What do you know about that? Jeez Louise. Update. Got this amount done. We're just gonna keep on keeping on. Everything's fitting together now nicely, except for the first board there. I had a rock in the gap and I didn't realize that's why there's a gap there, but I am pulling it out now. So you can see on the edge, that second board there is flush with the edge. The rest I'm leaving long, as you can see. And same on the other side, and we're just going to cut right down the edge when we're done, give us nice even straight lines. So yes sir, that's where we're at. We're going to keep on going till we at the top. All right, there's its cut flush. Came out good. Just got to get rid of the sawdust. There's our final product up on top. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.